everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Now, I was so happy to coupon today. I don't know why. I was so excited to go to Walgreens. I was so excited to go to CVS because this is a day where it felt like it was normal. I was using a ton of coupons and a ton of deals, and I'm just happy to share with you guys what I got at CVS. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. Funny thing is, when I got to the store, it was swamped. It was just like people left and right, here and there, everywhere. Then I get up to the registers and I'm like, watch, everybody's gonna show up. Not one person showed up while I was at the register. I was just like, what? And I had to do 3 transactions because there was 2 deals that I wanted to do separately to make sure if anything happened. It was just pretty much just super easy, but I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So I didn't have any more left of the Schick razor coupons. I just had one $4 off instant coupon. The digitals were gone. They disappeared last night. And then we had some printables, but those were gone and expired. So I ended up getting with just the 1 coupon, which I'm totally fine with. But if you guys had 2 coupons, it would have been an even better moneymaker. So these were $9.49. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I had a deal where, there was a deal where if you spend $15, you got a $5 extra care buck. So I had one $4 off insert coupon, and then I had a 5 off of 20 any shave CRT, and then I had a 5 off of 3 Schick Extreme CRT and a 4 off of 3 Schick Extreme CRT. So I ended up paying $5.71 for the 3 of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making these 71 cents or just 24 cents each, which is a pretty good deal. But if you, like I said, if you guys had that coupon, you definitely want to go ahead and use that coupon if you had it. Sorry, I got lipstick on my cheek. This is a bruise. I have no idea how I got it. I have no idea how I got it. But I ended up doing the Ajax. Now, I get 2 different coupons in my area. I get My Town and then I get Milwaukee. So every coupon is different. But anyways, the Ajax were $1.99 on sale. I had a $1 off a 2 insert coupon, and I had a 50-cent off insert coupon. So it depends on where you live. But anyways, I had also a 2 off of 3 Ajax CRT that I used. So you'd pay $2.47 for the 3 of these, or just 82 cents. Otherwise, without that extra 50 cents, it's like 3 something, which comes out to be 90 something cents, which is still a pretty good deal. So if you guys need to stock up on some dish soap, definitely go ahead and do that. Now this deal I was super excited for. Now we had a DesignerJen CRT that we got last week, so this was expiring today, and I'm like, I'm just gonna start scanning some DesignerJen stuff. So I ended up scanning the Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser. This was $5.79, and when this popped up, I had a $4 off CRT that popped up, and a $2.50 CRT, and then a $2 off digital coupon. And then I also had a $2.50 off a 10 CRT. So I'm like, okay, let's see if I have anything else. Well, I ended up getting this acne wash. This was $9.99. These are not on sale. These are just what I had with CRTs. But I ended up buying both of these to use that $2.50 off a 10 CRT. You'd pay $4.78 for the both of these. But there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta for this one. And there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta for this one, making this a 22-cent moneymaker. So I got these absolutely free just by using all those CRTs that I had. So I was pretty excited. I was trying to find if there was an acne coupon. I didn't have it on me. I might have had one printable, but I didn't really look very much, but that is okay. So I ended up having, I ended up getting the Twix candy bars. These were 88 cents. You'd pay 88 cents for this, but then there is a 40 or 50 cent rebate with Ibotta. So this ends up becoming just 39 cents, so I got that. And then I ended up having a Ibotta deal for the flips. These were $1.39. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You would pay $2.08 for these. But there is an Ibotta deal where you get 75 cents off of one. So I got $1.50 back with Ibotta. So both of these come out to be just 58 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal if you guys need some candy bars. And then I ended up getting the NYX. I had a NYX eyebrow pencil, and then I had a NYX lip. So these were each $5.49. I had a $3, it was either a $3 or $2 for the brow or the lip. So I ended up doing that one. And then I had another, so I had a $3, a $2, and a $2, but one of those was just for brows, and so I just got that. So I paid 98 cents for the both of these, 98 cents. But then you get a $4 extra care buck back when you purchase 2. Comes out to be a $3.02 moneymaker. So I got these absolutely for free and I made a profit. So I was pretty excited with those. Okay, so the next deal I did was the oral deal. Now I had a 5 off of 30 oral CRT and I'm like, okay, let's see what I can use. I was like 6 cents short, no, I was like 9 cents short, I think, of hitting it, and I was not sure if the 2% rule, whatever, would work with my CRT, so I ended up getting an extra item just because I wasn't sure. If you guys know this, it would have worked, let me know so I know for the future, but let me dig in and share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the Scope mouthwash. These were $4.99. I used 2 $1 off coupons from our P&G. Got those, okay? And then you'd get a $2 extra care buck with that. We had the Colgate toothpaste. These were 2 for $7.98. I had that 7 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would just get these for 98 cents. I also had the Crest toothpaste. I have 2 of these. Is it in this box? I don't know where the other one went. Oh, it's right here. So I ended up getting 2 of the Crest toothpaste. These were $3.99 and I got a toothbrush for $3.99. I only had 1 paper coupon and I had a $2 off digital and a $2 off digital for the Oral-B. So I got those for that, and then you got $5 of an extra care buck. So like I said, I was like $9 short. I did the math on this, right? Did I write it down? I didn't do that. Did I just must have did it in my head. But anyways, this came to $31.72 for everything. This was $1.79. So like I said, I was like 9 cents short. So I wasn't sure if that 5 off of 30 Oral-B or the oral CRT would work. If it would have, please let me know for I know for the future. This one, $1.79. But after coupons for these 4 items and those 4 items, I ended up paying $11.72 for everything. But then you get $2 back with the Scope. So I got $4 back with the Scope, and then I got $5 back for the 3 Oral-B products. So my grand total came to be just $2.72 or 34 cents each. So usually they say don't pay for toothpaste. But if you think about it, if I paid $2.72, we'll just say I paid, you know, $1 each for those, and we just paid like 72 cents for both of these. So however you guys want to figure that out, I still think that's a pretty good deal for getting all of those items. So I just did that in one transaction, just all the oral care, because I was trying to, you know, stack all those coupons up. And then I did another one with another transaction, and this one was crazy, you guys. It is super crazy. So I ended up getting the Head and Shoulders. These were 2 for $12, and I had a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. And then I also used a 2 off of 9 CRT. For the Herbal Essence, I had, these are 2 for $12. I had a 2 off of 9 CRT, and then I used a 4 off of 2 insert coupon, so you get that. They had a deal where if you spent $30, you would get $10 of an extra care buck, so I ended up getting the Pantene. These were 3 for $12. I got the conditioner one, and I used that conditioner CRT that I did have. So used a 5 off of 3 insert coupon, and then the, was it 4 off of 12 CRT. Well, then I was originally going to do, I had a 5 off of 25, or 4 off of 25, hair CRT, and I only had to spend a couple bucks, and I'm like, okay, let's see what I can do. Now with CRTs, when you do hair stuff, so I had those CRTs, and so then I needed a couple more bucks to do the 25 deal, and I'm like, okay, well, there is overage obviously for a couple of these, so then I kind of figured it out. But yeah, I used these 4 CRTs all in one transaction because I made sure I had, you know, you got to have it over the item. So I'm just taking everything up here. So with all that said, I ended up getting 2 of the whole blends. These were 2 for $7. I had a 4 off of 2 insert coupon. You would end up paying just $3, but then you get that $1 extra care buck, making these just $2. And then I had the L'Oreal. These were 2 for $8. I ended up using a 4 off of 2, and then I had that 2 off of 2 insert coupon, so I got those. and that was, what, $1 each also. And then I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7, and then I had that 3 off of 2, making these $2 each. But altogether, how many did I get? All 14 items. I got all 14 items of the shampoo and conditioner. Before coupons, it came to $58 for these 6, you know, the whole blends, the L'Oreal and stuff, and then the Pantene, the Herbal Essence. So it came to $58 for all that stuff. So if you add up the 4 off of 25, the 4 off of 12, the 2 off of 9, and 2 off of 9, that all comes out to, I think it was like $54 is what it came out to be. So $58. Use the 4 off of 2 L'Oreal, 3 off of 2 Garnier, the 4 off of 2 whole blends, the 5 off of 3 Pantene, the 4 off of 2 Herbal, and the 3 off of 2 Head and Shoulders. Then I had a 2 off of 2 for the L'Oreal CRT. I had a 4 off of 12 CRT for the Pantene, a 2 off of 9, and a 2 off of 9 for the Head and Shoulders and Herbal Essence. And then I also used that 4 off of 25 CRT. Paid $21 for all 14 bottles of shampoo and conditioner. But you get $1 back when you purchase the whole blends, and then you get $10 back when you spend $30 with the Pantene, Head and Shoulders, and the Herbal Essence. So altogether, I got everything for just $10 or 71 cents each. So a little confusing, but I'm happy with everything that I got. I had to, I was sitting on the floor, just kind of just doing my math. I don't know why, but CVS is the place where I'll just sit down and work on my math and all that fun stuff. So that was my haul, you guys. I was pretty happy with everything that I got. I mean, I filled up the sheet with a bunch of deals, so I was excited with that. So my total came out to be $2.59. That's how much everything came out to be after I paid with extra care bucks. I did end up using $35 worth of extra care bucks, but I only received $20 back, and that is okay. I did roll them, so I ended up using some of the extra care bucks that I did receive in this transaction to another transaction, which is totally fine. With Ibotta, I actually received $7.10. So I received 2 for the Neutrogena, another 3 for the Neutrogena. I earned $1.50 back with the flips, and then I earned 50 cents for the Twix, and that was it for that. So I got $7.10 back, and then I had a 10-cent any makeup rebate, so I ended up doing that. So my grand total came to be $10.49 for everything. 35 items at $10.49. I got each item for 29 cents each. I saved over $193.26. I think tonight was successful. I am very happy with what I got. I wish I could film in the store to share with you guys the deals, but I'm not allowed to film in the store to share with you those deals. But other than that, I'm pretty happy. I think, you know, oh, I forgot one more deal, you guys. Totally forgot. The Sun Chips. I had a snack item, so I ended up scanning this and my snack item worked. These were $3.59 or $3.49. I think they were $3.59. $3.59, and I got that $3 snack item, so I just got these for 59 cents, and I haven't had Sun Chips in forever, so I'm pretty excited to eat those chips. So yes, that was everything that I got, but I'm pretty happy. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys haven't already, and I will see you guys all later. See you later. Bye-bye.